Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of USD CAD and you can see I'm in the 4 hours time frame. And if you just look at the chart, then there is no denial or no doubt about it that market is in downtrend. And as we all know, trading in a trending market is much more easier. Uh, and here, market is in downtrend. So in a downtrend market, the strategy usually is very simple. It's always sell on rise. Means we just need to find a resistance. When market will be hitting the resistance and reversing, we will just short the market. Okay, here 50 moving average was acting as a resistance. Here, here. So whenever market was going up, it was getting resistance from the 50 MA and it was the perfect opportunity to short the market. It was a sell on rise market. And if you have watched my previous videos, then I told you that there is a complication in USDCAD chart right now. Okay, so I would like to mention it again. Though the market is in downtrend, and right now you can see that, okay, instead of making lower lows, okay, market is trying to go up. Okay, and right now we can see that market is trading above the 50 moving average, and 1 2 3 4 5, okay, 4 into 5 means for 20 hours. For 20 hours market is above the 50 moving average. Market is not going up. Okay, market is not going up. There is not much buying pressure here. We can easily see that, but still market is trying to go up, and I have already mentioned in my previous video why. If you have not, then watch the video carefully. As you know, I'm a fan of multi-time frame analysis. Okay, so I would like to take you to the weekly time frame. So this is the weekly time frame, and if you just look at the weekly time frame, again we can see that market is in downtrend, and undoubtedly selling pressure is very high. Okay, but if we zoom out the chart, okay, if we zoom out the chart, we can see that there is a support at this price level. Okay, there is support at this price level, and this support belongs to the year 2017. Okay, so you may be thinking, okay, you may be thinking why the support from 2017 is still valid, or how can a support from 2017 can still be a valid support. But I have already told you that this resistance, okay, this resistance belong to the year 2016. So if a resistance from 2016 can be still valid, then why not a support from 2017 can be a valid one. Okay, so this support is from resistance is from the year 2016. So we can see that after 4 years, okay, after 4 years when market was trying to go up, okay, market was very bullish, but once market reach or hits the resistance zone from the year 2016, market faced price rejection from above. As a result, we can see that market started going down, and still market is going down. Market could not recover from this particular fall. Therefore, therefore, there is a good amount of chance that this support from 2017 can be a valid one. And if we look at this particular chart, then we can easily see that market is heavily oversold in the weekly chart. Okay, so once market will obviously go up, but there is a good amount of chance that market may go up from this particular point. That's why I told you that the chart of USD CAD is a complicated one, and I have already shared this thing in my previous videos also. So what should be a strategy then? Okay, what should be your strategy? Okay, your strategy is nothing. Okay, because see, overall market is in downtrend. Okay, it looks like a sale on rise kind of a market. Okay, but market is not ready to Market is not ready to go down further. We can see now, we can see that market is trying to go up, market is struggling to go up. Therefore it will be wise for you if you wait for the market. Okay, just wait for the market, wait for 2 to 3 days and just observe the price. Okay, because see, market went up from here. Okay, market went up from here, hit the resistance, but it did not come down, rather it tried, rather it struggled. Okay, and still it is struggling to go up. Therefore this is not the right place to short the market. Okay, uh, the sell on rise kind of a market is over right now. Okay, right now shorting the market is not the correct option or the best option for you. Right now what do you need to do is just wait for the market to give you a proper direction. Okay. Till then you should not risk your money here. This is not the chart for you as of now. Wait for the market to give a proper direction, then only you should go for the buy order or sell order. In case market crosses this particular level with good amount of volume, then you can go for buying order. Okay, on the other hand, if market crosses this level, okay, this particular level with great amount of volume, then you can go for sell order. But right now you should wait and watch. This is not a chart that you should be trading with your hard-earned money right now. Okay, hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.